friends, and welcome to Craft with Us. This is our second to last Craft with Us, so I'm glad you're all here joining me to craft on this Monday morning. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brittany, and I'm the head of children's here at the Winchester Public Library. But most everybody just calls me Miss B, not because we're formal in any way, just because it's easier to say. All right, so for those of you who picked up our craft bag this morning, you know we are making some crafty popsicles. This one's a really fun one because you can do anything you want. If you make a really big popsicle, it can be a fan for the summer heat. And if you make a really little one, maybe it can be like a fun birthday card for somebody. You can make one any size you want, and you can do anything you want with it. This one's definitely open to decorative interpretation. So let's go through our list. As always, I'll tell you what you can do with your stuff from home if you didn't grab one of our craft bags. This one's pretty easy, especially this summer where we're all eating some popsicles maybe. If you don't have craft sticks from the store, just eat a popsicle, wash it off a little bit. Maybe then don't give it to your friends, keep it for you and use it as a fan. But popsicle stick, a piece of paper, construction paper just has a little heft to it, or if you have anything that's a little bit thicker, like computer paper, maybe you want to glue two pieces together just to give it some weight. Some glitter glue pens. I have two right here. Everyone should have gotten at least one in their bag. Pom-poms and some glue. All right, and then you need a pencil and some scissors. All right, so easy peasy. Lots of stuff you can grab from home. And if you don't have pom-poms, you can just grab your markers, basically anything you want to decorate. You can use stickers, whatever works for you. All right, so first what we do is we trace a U, the letter U, onto our piece of paper. All right, so you can make it as big or as small as you want. I'm gonna make mine a pretty big one, like this. Like that. See, there's our U shape. And now we put our pencil down and we cut it out. All right. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. My young friends, this is great practice for school. So if you can pick up those scissors and you have your grown-up nearby, just to help you if you need it, give it a try and cut out your popsicle all on your own. Okay? So there we go, like that. Okay? I'm gonna put my scissors down and put my paper over here. Now we take our stick and we're gonna glue it to the back of our popsicle. See, it's already looking like a popsicle. Right. So we take a little bit here, like this. And then we press it down. There we go. You just let it dry for a few minutes. Let that glue dry. Right? Just got to have a little patience with our crafts, right, friends? It's all right. It's Miss B's favorite word, right? Okay. All right, here we go. So, just a simple plain old popsicle here. Now we gotta make it fancy. Well, you don't have to make it fancy, but why not? All right, so decorate it any way you like. You can take your glitter glue, you can do some zigzags, like that. And then we have the glitter glue. So for those of you who picked up our craft bags, this is glue, so you can take your pom-poms and you can stick it right on the glitter glue. Or you can use your regular glue. Totally up to you. Your choice. All right, do one more so that mine doesn't get too heavy so I can pick it up and show you. And remember how I said you can turn it into a fan? It's a popsicle fan. So you can eat a popsicle with one hand and fan yourself with your popsicle in the other one. Look at that, not bad. So that was our easy peasy craft for our Monday morning. There we go. What do you think? All right, it's a hot day, so you might need it out here. All right, oof, a feather jumped onto mine. All right, my friends. So that was our super quick and super fun craft. If you have any pictures of your crafts, please feel free to send them our way. You can send them right here on Instagram. Thank you. Send your pictures to us at WinPubLib, and we'll post them for you. All right, my friends, next week is our very, very last week of Craft with Us before we all go back to school, or you go back to school and we extend our hours. So lots of big things happening in the month of September. Thank you, my friends. We start extended hours on August 30th, so the library will be open until 9 and children's until 8, Monday through Thursday. So that's very fun and exciting. And if you have any questions, you can send us questions right here on Instagram. All right, my friends. So we will see you next week for our very last Craft with Us. And be sure to tune in. Be sure to pick up our craft bags if you can, because it's a big one. We saved the best for last, okay? All right, my friends, we say be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and wear your mask. I'll see everyone next week. Bye-bye.